Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is V.
How old are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What are your hobbies?
I is dancing.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
Is art
Why?
because I want to be an art teacher.
Very good. When is your birthday?
It's in July.
What do you want to drink?
I want some lemonade.
What do you want to eat?
I want some chips and chicken.
Oh, nice. What do you do on Saturday?
I study. I watching TV.
What do you do on Monday?
I study at school.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? No. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Where is your school?
East Village.
How many buildings are there at your school?
There are 3 buildings at my school.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
There are 3 buildings at my school.
Computer rooms.
There is one building out there at your school.
What subjects do you have on Wednesday?
I have English, Math, and Vietnamese.
What do you do at the weekend?
Is
What do you do at the weekend? Can you ride a bike?
yes, I can.
What does your mother do?
She can cook.
What can your father do?
He can roller skate.
What can your brother do?
He can ride a bike.
What do you do on Wednesday?
I have English and Math. English, Math, and Science.
Okay. When do you have geography?
I have it on Monday and Friday.
When's your sports day?
It's in the village.
When is your sports day? Not where, when.
It's in November.
Where were you last summer?
I was Đà Nẵng Kichi.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Uh,